Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to edit your navigation bar on Squarespace step by step. I'll be walking you through this on Squarespace version 7.1. First, open the Pages panel, that's the button in the left sidebar of your dashboard. You'll see your current page structure with sections labeled Main Navigation and Not Linked. Pages in the Main Navigation section are what actually appear in your navigation bar. To add a new page to your navigation, click the plus icon next to Main Navigation. A menu pops up with page types. Choose the one you want, type in a page title, and hit enter. To reorder your navigation links, just click and drag the pages around in this panel. The order you set here is the order they'll appear in your navigation bar. You can also drag pages out of main navigation and into not linked if you want to remove them from the menu. If you want a drop-down menu, click the plus icon again and select drop-down. Give it a title, then drag any existing pages underneath it to nest them in that drop-down. Now for the styling. Click Edit in the top left corner of your site preview to enter edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, hover over the header area and click Edit Site Header when it appears. You'll see different sections here: site, title and logo, navigation links, and elements like buttons or social icons. To rearrange the navigation links, click the navigation section, then click the pencil icon. You can drag the links into a different order here. Doing this also updates the order in your Pages panel. Next, click Edit Design within the Edit Site Header interface. This is where you control your header layout and spacing. You can adjust the spacing between individual links and between different sections like navigation and social icons. While you're in Edit Design, look for the effects options. Turn on Fixed Position if you want your header to stick at the top when someone scrolls. You can also add a drop shadow or border here if you want. To change the navigation font, click the paintbrush icon in the top right corner to open Site Styles. Go to Fonts, then select Assign Styles and choose Site Navigation. Change the style to Custom, then adjust the font, weight, and size. For navigation colors, if your header is set to transparent, it'll inherit the color theme of your first page section. If it's not transparent, you should find color options in the Colors section under Edit Site Header. Click the color tweak, pick a new color from the selector, and choose your shade. If you're using drop-downs, you can customize the drop-down icon. Go back to the Navigation Links section, click the pencil icon, then click Design. Choose an icon from the drop-down menu and adjust the size and spacing. Once you're done, click Save or Exit to apply your changes. Make sure to preview your site to check everything looks right. 2 quick tips: test your navigation on both desktop and mobile views since the layout can look different on smaller screens. And try to keep your main navigation to 5 to 7 items max. Anything more, and it starts to feel cluttered for visitors. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video.